Hello everyone, I am Anuja Shrivastava and today I am just going to teach you the sixth part of this chapter Air and Atmosphere, which is also the last part of this chapter. And in this video I am just going to discuss you about the air quality, air pollution and some simple and very easy topic which you were already studied in previous classes also. So first topic which I am going to discuss with all of you, that is the air quality. So what is the meaning of air quality? What is air quality? आप क्या समझेंगे कि ये air quality क्या होती है? तो if it is in simple way you can say it is a measure of goodness of air. What is this? It is only measure of goodness of air. अराउंड अस, ये हमारे चारों जो एयर है हमारे सराउंडिंग में वो कितनी यूजफुल है, कितनी हार्मफुल है हमारे लिए, कहीं उसके अंदर कोई पॉल्यूटेंट तो नहीं है. इफ देयर इज एनी हार्मफुल सब्सटेंसेस आर नॉट देयर, सो दैट मीन्स इफ वी आर गोइंग टू मेजर द गुडनेस ऑफ एयर अराउंड द अर्थ, सो दैट इज नोन एज द एयर क्वालिटी. ओके, नाउ वन मोर टर्म रिलेटेड टू दिस, इट इज द एयर पॉल्यूटेंट. So first I am just going to introduce you what is the meaning of pollutant. Pollutant क्या होता है? So pollutant are any undesirable substance which is harmful to us and that is present in any type of abiotic component, just like the water, air and anywhere. So that means any unwanted substances are known as the pollutant. And we are discussing about the air pollutant. So you can say undesirable substance and gases which are present in the air, that is known as the air pollutant. That means undesirable gases and substance present in the air is known as the air pollutant. And if we are going to discuss about the examples, just like the sulfur dioxide, then CFC, इसको कहते हैं क्लोरोफ्लोरोकार्बन, कार्बन मोनो, this one is carbon monoxide, this one is chlorofluorocarbon, and another hydrogen sulfide. So this H2S is known as the hydrogen sulfide. So these are some substances which are undesirable and harmful to us and they are present in the air, so that they are causing the air pollution and they are known as the air pollutant. Okay, now we must know what is the effect of air pollutant to us, कि ये air pollutant हमारे ऊपर क्या effect डालते हैं, whatever the adverse effect caused by the air pollutant. So these air pollutant, these are going to cause the acid rain, okay, this is a very most important and the important phenomena also. What they are going to cause? They are going to cause the acid rain, they are going to lead the global warming, they are also going to depletion of ozone layer, they are going to form the smog. And what is the smog? It is just a combination of smoke plus fog. Okay, it also going to cause the severe respiratory diseases, बिकॉज इफ द एयर इज पॉल्यूटेड, अगर कोई एयर पॉल्यूटेड है तो दैट इज इनहेल्ड बाय अस, हम उसको रिस्पायर के थ्रू अंदर लेंगे और दैट कॉजेज अ रेस्पिरेटरी डिजीज. सो दैट मीन देयर इज मेनी एडवर्स इफेक्ट्स ऑफ द एयर पॉल्यूटेंट्स. ओके, सो लेट्स two important effects we must know, that is very very important effect of the air pollution. So one, global warming, I already taught you in the previous video, and today I am just going to discuss the another effect, that is the acid rain. Now what is acid rain? It is clear from the name. If a rain contains the acid, that means rain that contains the acid, and which acid they are going to contain? So they contain the sulfuric acid, nitric acid and carbonic acid. That is known as the acid rain. That means rain that contains acid. And which acid I am asking? I am asking like sulfuric acid, nitric acid and carbonic acid. So if these acids are present in the rain, so they are going to cause the acid rain. And now why this rain contain this acid? So you must also know कि क्यों ये rain contain करते हैं. आपने अपने एल्डर से भी घर पे सुना होगा, the first raining there should be avoidance of the just wet your body in the first raining. पहली जो बारिश होती है इसमें आपको अपने आप को भीगने से बचाना होता है because of this acid rain. जनरली क्या होता है, सराउंडिंग में बहुत सारे पॉल्यूटेंट प्रेजेंट होते हैं एयर में, और जब पहली बारिश होती है तो दैट पॉल्यूटेंट्स आर गोइंग टू रिएक्ट विद द वाटर, रेन वाटर, एंड दे आर गोइंग टू फॉर्म द एसिड. दैट मीन्स जो सराउंडिंग में पॉल्यूटेंट्स हैं वो पॉल्यूटेंट्स क्या करते हैं, पहली बारिश के साथ रिएक्ट करते हैं और एसिड का फॉर्मेशन करते हैं, एंड दैट्स वाई दैट इज़ वेरी वेरी हार्मफुल. तो हम कौन कौन से अगर बात करेंगे कौन कौन से पॉल्यूटेंट्स होते हैं जो एसिड रेन को कॉज करते हैं, तो they are just like the sulfur dioxide as well as the oxides of nitrogen, carbon dioxide, then sulfur dioxide as well as the oxides of nitrogen. They are just going to react with the rain water and they are going to form these acids. That's why we must avoid the first raining. Okay, now this acid rain, this is very very harmful for our monument as well as our living beings. They are going to damage our crops, they are going to damage the things which is made up of the marble, because marble is a calcium carbonate, and this acid, it is going to react with the that marble and going to just damage them, just like the Taj Mahal of Agra, which is also very adversely affected by the acid rain. Okay, now next topic is the air pollution. So what is air pollution? Nothing, it is just like the release of air pollutant in the air. It is a release of air pollutant in the air is called air pollution. Now this air pollution, it is very very harmful. And what are the causes of air pollution? इसके क्या causes हो सकते हैं? So some causes are natural causes and some are causes which are related with the human activities. So if we are going to discuss about the human activities causes, so just like the burning of fossil fuel, especially incomplete burning of fossil fuel, then after the thermal power plant, then after release of CFC gases, chlorofluorocarbon gases, which is related with the refrigerant as well as the aerosols. ओके एंड द वॉल्केनिक इरेप्शन विच इज़ अ नेचुरल कैलेमिटीज, जो वॉल्केनिक इरेप्शन होता है, ठीक है, फॉरेस्ट फायर, जो अचानक से फॉरेस्ट में फायर लग जाती है, दैट इज ऑल्सो द कॉज ऑफ द एयर पोल्यूशन. नाउ हाउ कैन वी रिड्यूस द एयर पोल्यूशन? methods to reduce the air pollution. So first and most important thing is use the eco-friendly product. Use eco-friendly things. इको फ्रेंडली थिंग मीन्स एनवायरमेंट फ्रेंडली, जो एनवायरमेंट से रिलेटेड चीज़ें होती हैं. प्लांट ट्रीज, मोर एंड मोर ट्रीज. ओके, यूज द सोलर टेक्निक्स. Reduce the use of fossil fuel. Okay, so these are some things. One more thing is there, we can also use the wet scrubbers in the factories to absorb the sulfur dioxide. Use wet scrubber to absorb sulfur dioxide. Okay, so these are some ways which helps you to protect you from just damaging the atmosphere. If you are using these types of things, so you can just protect your environment and the air pollution will also be reduced. Okay, so this is all about the chapter air and atmosphere. This chapter is now over here, and I will meet with all of you with the next chapter. Till then, bye bye. Thank you.